Huh, I got a 9x9. Alright, let's go. It's actually very big and the biggest one in my collection. Well, no more. Because I have recently gotten a brand new 10x10. Yes, the 10x10. I know, it's crazy. I got a new 10x10 and it seems so smaller than the 10x10. Look at that. The 10x10, the 9x9, looks like it's very bigger than this. I don't know. We'll see once we unbox it. Alright, first of all, shipping seems like this thing just like ripped right apart. You can see part of the cube there. Yeah. Here's the cube. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, this thing's basically open. Oh wow. This is so nice, dude. Seems like there's a bit of a tape right here. And there we go. Let's close that up. Alright, let's open it up and get the cube. It's so brand new that it shines. You can see it. So dang nice, dude. Alright, well, yeah. Here's the 10x10. And I'm glad I have it. And here's the 9x9 by comparison. It seemed to be very smaller, as you guys can see. Even though it's a 10x10 and this one's a 9. So, yeah. Oh well. Well, if this video gets around 5 likes, I will scramble it and solve it in another video. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah. Alright, hope you guys like this unboxing experience, and hope you guys have a great time, and make sure you subscribe, and goodbye. Peace.